What's up, YouTube? Going to do another video with the Granitestone pizza cooker, and this one we're actually going to be reheating some chicken wings. And these are right out of the fridge, and you can tell this video is a little more serious than normal because I've got the black glove on. And we do have the pizza cooker set 800 degrees on the bottom, 400 on top, and I'm going to go ahead and reheat them for about 5 minutes. So first thing we'll do here is onto the pizza stone for the counter. Evenly kind of spread around. Alright, it's got them all arranged on there. And I'm going to go ahead and cook them for about 5 minutes. Set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Stop timer. Alright, it's 5 minutes reheating here. I'll kill power to it here. And get them plated. And of course I'm going to put this in my Granitestone pizza cooker playlist. Alright, and it's reheated there. I'm going to have to let them cool off a minute before I can eat them, but I've actually experimented with this already. It works just about perfectly for fried chicken wings. These are just left over from the bar. And really, I don't have anything else, I guess, to add on this. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And if you're going to be mean, at least be funny.